Time now for your market recap for the year 2024. The main market was up 3% in 2024, while the junior market lost almost 3%. 134 stocks traded in 2024, 60 stocks made gains while 67 lost value and 7 stayed the same. Almost 11 billion shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market over the year, valued at $83 billion. Now let's see who had the biggest gains. Blue Power Group was 2024's top stock, up 79% to close the year at $4.79. Wigton was the second biggest gainer, up nearly 76%. The company changed its name to Wigton Energy in 2024 and closed the year at $1.39. And Lasco Manufacturing rounded out the year's top stocks, up almost 75%. It started the new year at $7.85. On the losing side now, Edufocal was 2024's biggest loser, down 76%. The price took a nosedive after the stock was suspended. And even though the suspension was later lifted, Edufocal closed the year at just 36 cents. MFS Capital Partners had the second biggest dip in 2024, down 73% to close the year at 52 cents. And CAC 2000 fell 56% to close the year at $2.10. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index fell almost 12% last year. Massey Holdings was the most traded stock. It closed the year at $3.95 TT. Endeavour Holdings was the market's biggest gainer, up 37% in 2024, while LJ Williams B shares lost 66% to close the year at 75 cents TT. U.S. stocks made big gains in 2024. The Dow Jones was up 13%, while the S&P 500 gained 23%, and the Nasdaq outperformed both, up almost 29%. The top stock in the U.S. last year was AppLovin, up a whopping 712%. The mobile tech company helps companies create, monetize, and publish their own apps. On the other hand, global pharmacy group Walgreens Boots Alliance fell 61% last year. The company owns and operates the pharmacy chains Walgreens in the U.S. and Boots in the U.K. At the pumps, gas prices were down last year. 87 fell $13.61, while 90 fell by $10.75. Diesel prices were also down, with regular diesel falling $8.73, while ultra-low sulfur diesel became $8.37 cheaper per liter. In foreign exchange, the Jamaican dollar closed the year at $156.42 for one U.S. dollar. That's $1.19 more than a year before. Meanwhile, the JMD gained almost $8 on the Canadian dollar and $5 on the euro. But the JMD was $1.58 weaker against the British pound in 2024. Finally, on the crypto markets, it was a massive year for Bitcoin, up 125%. Ethereum also had a great year, gaining 62% in 2024.